Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral chili crisp fried egg sandwich, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing the ingredients. First, slice 1 tomato. Then cut an avocado into slices. When you're finished, set these ingredients to the side until you're ready to use them later. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add bacon. Cook the bacon in the pan until crispy. Once the bacon is cooked and crispy, take it out of the pan and place it on a paper towel covered plate. In that same pan, spoon 1 tablespoon of chili crisp into the pan. Repeat 2 more times so you have 3 spoonfuls spaced out in the pan. Then crack 1 egg directly over each chili crisp spot. Then let the eggs fry. Once the eggs are done cooking on one side, flip them over. Continue to cook the eggs until they are cooked to your preferred doneness. Once the eggs have finished cooking, remove them from the pan and set them to the side. Next, we're going to toast the bread. In a pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, add 2 slices of croissant bread. Toast the slices of bread until golden brown on each side. When you finish toasting the croissant bread, place them on a cutting board. Then spread mayo on each slice of bread. Next, on the bottom slice of bread, add lettuce. Then add 3 slices of tomato. Season the tomato with salt and pepper. Next, add the bacon. Then add the fried eggs. After you've added the eggs, add the sliced avocado. And finally, add some more chili crisp on top. Now place the other slice of croissant bread on top. And that's it, you are all done. And this is the finished result. The sandwich came out amazing. It looks like a sandwich from Scooby-Doo. This has to be the best breakfast sandwich I have ever made. It is so delicious. It's incredibly easy to make and it tastes really good. I definitely recommend giving this recipe a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!